How to activate Nium Forex Card. Follow these instructions. Check your email or SMS for the activation code sent by Nium after your card is issued. Log into your Nium account via the mobile app or partner platform where you manage your card. Go to the Card Management section and select your newly issued Forex card to begin the activation process. Tap on Activate Card and enter the activation code received via SMS or email to proceed with activating your Forex card. Submit the activation form and wait for a confirmation message or success status. Set a secure 4-digit PIN for ATM and in-store use if prompted after activation, and it's ready. Your card is now active and ready for international payments, online use, and withdrawals.
Thank you for watching.